Hello, friends. Today I am here with one more important book to improve our knowledge and become successful in life. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy is a self help book that explores the potential of the subconscious mind to influence thoughts, behaviors, and outcomes. Here's a step by step summary of the key concepts presented in the book. 1. Understanding the subconscious mind. Murphy introduces the concept of the subconscious mind and explains its role in shaping our thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors. He emphasizes that the subconscious mind is like a powerful computer that stores and processes information based on our beliefs and experiences. 2. The power of belief. The author discusses the power of belief in shaping our reality. He explains how our beliefs and attitudes influence our thoughts, emotions, and actions, and how they can either support or hinder our success and happiness. 3. The law of attraction. Murphy explores the concept of the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. He explains how our thoughts and emotions create vibrational energy that attracts corresponding experiences into our lives, whether positive or negative. 4. Reprogramming the subconscious mind. The author shares techniques for reprogramming the subconscious mind to achieve desired outcomes. He discusses the importance of positive affirmations, visualization, and mental imagery in influencing the subconscious mind and manifesting our goals and desires. 5. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Murphy discusses how limiting beliefs and negative self-talk can hold us back from achieving our full potential. He shares strategies for identifying and challenging these beliefs, replacing them with positive affirmations and empowering thoughts. 6. The power of visualization. The author emphasizes the importance of visualization in harnessing the power of the subconscious mind. He explains how mental imagery and visualization techniques can activate the subconscious mind and align our thoughts and actions with our goals. 7. The role of faith and prayer. Murphy discusses the role of faith and prayer in accessing the power of the subconscious mind. He explains how faith can activate the subconscious mind's creative potential and how prayer can be used as a tool for setting intentions and manifesting desired outcomes. 8. The subconscious mind and health. The author explores the connection between the subconscious mind and physical health. He discusses how thoughts and beliefs can influence the body's healing processes and shares techniques for using the power of the subconscious mind to promote health and well-being. 9. Applying the power of the subconscious mind. Murphy provides practical examples and exercises for applying the principles discussed in the book to various areas of life, including relationships, finances, career, and personal development. 10. Living in alignment with the subconscious mind. The author concludes by emphasizing the importance of living in alignment with the principles of the subconscious mind. He encourages readers to cultivate positive thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes, and to trust in the power of their subconscious mind to create the life they desire. Overall, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind offers insights and techniques for harnessing the innate power of the subconscious mind to achieve success, happiness, and fulfillment in all areas of life. To know more in detail about this book, you can buy it from the following link below. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to receive the notification when I upload the new book summary. Happy reading!